Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing your Figma file so you can prototype faster. Place all artboards and components together and set one main prototype frame as the hub. This simplifies links. Once done, apply auto layout to repeating elements and add constraints so layouts scale. Make sure to name frames and components clearly. It saves time when wiring interactions. You're not prepping forever. These concrete steps get you into building the interactive flow immediately, rather than fumbling later. Now you craft the interaction logic. Open the prototype panel and connect buttons to targets using click, hover, or drag triggers. Choose Navigate, Open Overlay, or Swap with actions depending on whether you replace content or show a floating panel. Once connections exist, adjust easing and duration for believable motion, and enable Preserve Scroll on long frames. Make sure to use components with interactive variants so you can reuse states. This reduces repetition and keeps behavior consistent across screens. Finish by thoroughly testing your prototype. Enter present mode and mirror to a device to verify touch and responsiveness. Walk each path, look for missing transitions, wrong targets, or timing that feels off. If something breaks, isolate the problematic link and inspect the source component's variants and constraints. Often an incorrect variant or overlapping trigger causes failures. Rebuild the offending component or reassign the action, then retest. Iterative fixes are faster than guessing, so confirm every major path before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.